Today we're going to be doing Bannock and clams. Peyton's going to be making you guys the bread, and he's going to show you guys how the bread's made. We're going to put the bread in the sand and we're going to cook it in the sand.
Wonderful. Did anyone in your family ever make it?
So the recipe we're using today is actually my grandmother's. We're going to start with 5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, water. A good starter point's like 4 cups. So I'm just going to mix it till I get to the consistency where it sticks to itself, but it won't stick to my gloves. The way this process will work is Carmen's going to move the fire to the side. After that, we'll dig a hole, and then we'll lay like a little blanket of flour on top of the hole, and then we'll place our bannock on there, and then we'll build the fire above it again.
Okay.
See you guys in a little bit.
See you later. Thank you.
Enjoy your tour.
The reason why they would do the bannock in the sand is because it would look like they were just hanging around a campfire rather than making their traditional like breads, because they were never sure when the Indian agent would come because he would come unannounced.
So you were able to keep some tradition by secretly
Secretly
having to.
doing it.
Wow.
Look at that, hey guys, looks like a big meteor.
It does.
Well then, push on.
Ooh,
And there
look
you
at
can
that,
see our bread is
guys.
exposed.
It looks so soft. And it looks really good.
Is it good? All right. I'm gonna go with molasses. Mmm. Oh wow. Oh, it's really good. Great job.
Oh yeah,
Awesome.
Peyton is the best bannock maker in PEI. I can promise that.
Get it from my grandmother.
Yeah.